Hello everyone, this is Ram and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make another interesting video on how to restore an old radio. Today I have with me an old Philips radio. This is the one I bought it in 2006. It has been working quite fine, but recently it has stopped working. So today I am going to fix this radio, and I am also going to show you how to connect an old mobile charger to this radio so that you don't have to buy another adapter. So I thought of connecting an old mobile charger to it so that I can make this radio work properly. So let's start this video. So guys, this is the radio that I'm talking about. It is a very old radio. Now I'm going to dismantle it and then I'll see what's wrong with it and then I'll fix the radio. First let's remove the back panel of the radio. So guys, as you can see, there is a cut wire here that is directly connected to the on off switch. So that is why it is not working, and then there is a wire here that is connected to the speaker from the chipset itself. So this is really a problem why it is not working. And also there is, you can see there is a lot of dust around here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to remove the speaker and the chipset from the front panel, and then I'll clean the entire thing up and then I'll put it back again. So guys, as you can see, there is a lot of dust around the corners which looks really dirty. So what I'm going to do now, that I'm going to remove the speaker and see if there is any dust inside it, and then I will put it back again. So guys, as you can see, there is a lot of dust accumulated inside the speakers. So I have to clean this entire dust, and then I'll also clean the front panel of the radio so that it looks clean and neat. So guys, I have cleaned up all the parts. As you can see, I have cleaned the speaker and I have also cleaned this front panel and back panel. Now we shall begin installing the speaker and the radio chip inside the front panel, and then we'll start wiring the from the back panel, and we'll see if I can connect any old mobile charger so that we don't have to use any old model batteries. So let's begin installing the speakers and other parts. So guys, I have successfully installed all the parts including the speaker and the radio chipset. Now I will begin wiring the power panel to the radio chipset so that it will be able to function properly. Now let's begin wiring the radio. So guys, I have completed the wiring part. Now I will connect this Huawei charger to this radio and see whether if it is working or not. If it is working, I will use this charger as a power cord to function this radio. Okay, let's begin connecting this charger. So guys, I have successfully connected the charging port to the power cables of the radio. Now I will connect this Huawei charger to the plug point and see whether this radio is working or not. So guys, as you can see, I have successfully connected the mobile charger to the radio's power point and it is working fine without any trouble. Now I will complete the installation part by soldering these power points here so that it doesn't come out and trouble the radio. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you really like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me posting another interesting video. Thank you very much.